Hey guys, what's going on? Arthur Early here, and in this video we're going to be doing an overview of the back office of the 4%. First of all, before we get started, I just want to go ahead and take the time out to go ahead and recognize each and every one of you for doing your due diligence and taking a look at this opportunity. I can guarantee you one thing, guys. If you go ahead and go forward with this opportunity, it will absolutely change your life. With that being said, once you get your username and password, you're going to want to log in. Upon logging in, you're going to see the back office. Now, this is the real fun part, guys. You're going to start with the challenge. The challenge is going to take you from your first $10,000 online to your next $100,000 online, and then your next $1 million online. I'm going to go ahead and show you inside of the challenge. It's a video series, guys. You have, I believe it's 60 videos, okay, inside of just the $10,000 challenge. And then you go into the 100, and then you go into the 1 million, okay? Then you can go into your member success and see how many members are having success with the system. You could be one of these members, guys. Just remember that. You've logged on, you've seen it, and now hear the testimonials of each and every single one of these people that are having immense success with the 4% challenge. After you go ahead and take a look at that, you want to go in here into funnels. What this is actually social media proof. This goes ahead and lets you know exactly what it is. So you're going to set up autoresponders, promo links, and promo tools. What I like about this right here is promo tools. If you have things for Facebook, you have videos, it even gives you a copy of an email swipe that you can use, that you can send out to your members to have you come into the 4%. All right. Also, this system uses multiple streams of income, as you can see right here where it says MSI. So you have multiple streams of income that you can use. And as you can see right here, these are all the systems that are in place for you guys. Alright. And I'm going to go back to the dashboard just to show you. Alright, this little short video where it says watch this first of exactly what it is, okay? Watch this video, guys.
Hello and welcome to 4%. My name is Vick Strizheus, founder of the 4%, and if you're the first time logging in here for the first time, welcome to the family. Very happy to have you here. Congratulations for getting here. You are in the right place at the right time, and we're all excited to have you here. So we have a huge community here, thousands and thousands of people from all around the world, all here with the same outcome, the same desire, the same goals, similar desires and similar visions, which is to become great, to elevate yourself above the common level, right? And become extraordinary at whatever it is that you're doing in business, in your income, in your life, in your recreationals, in the way you feel about yourself, the way you behave.
Alright guys, so as you can see there, that was just a little snippet of what you can expect with this system. The last and final thing that I want to go over with you is the core products, guys. This is by far the most important thing that you're going to need to become a successful internet marketer. The first one is the challenge. I just went over that with you. It takes you from 10,000 online to making 100,000 to making your first $1 million online. The second one I highly recommend is something called Internet Traffic Mastery. This right here is going to make you a master of traffic. By using different traffic sources, by using different traffic tactics, you can go ahead and command traffic at any point in time. And last but not least is going to be your E-stage. This right here, guys, very, very important. This is going to be your hub on the internet. This is going to be your personal website. This is going to be your personal blogging site. This is going to have links to your videos, links to your promotional tools. All these things are going to be needed, once again, to succeed online. It's very, very important. If you want to go ahead and get started today, and the 4% and the 4% challenge, click in the link below and we'll go ahead and get you started, guys. Alright, I will see you on the inside. Until next time, bye.